The Makkah Royal Clock Tower, home to the world's largest clock in a gold-plated crescent, is a marvel of engineering. During its construction, the Saudi king requested a unique glass facade on the tower's top that would resemble a giant diamond from afar, with the world's largest crescent, 24-karat gold, resting on top. Only one company in the world, the renowned German firm Riva GmbH, was capable of delivering this project. However, there was one major challenge. Riva's engineers and owner were non-Muslims, and as is well known, non-Muslims are not allowed entry to Mecca. Riva had taken on the project, but the strict Saudi regulations meant only Muslims could physically work on site. To solve this, several engineers and the company's owner had to convert to Islam in order to carry out their work on site. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower stands as one of the tallest buildings in the world, touching a height of 601 meters. It is not just a clock tower, but an engineering feat. The clock faces on all four sides are 43 meters across, covering an area of 16,000 square feet, equivalent to 35 plots of land. With a cost of $16 billion, it remains the most expensive skyscraper ever built. The tower was constructed just 300 meters from the world's largest mosque, Al-Haram. Before the tower, this site housed the Ajyad Fort, built in 1780 during the Ottoman Empire to protect the Kaaba. With millions visiting Mecca annually for Hajj, the Saudi government aimed to ease congestion by constructing a complex with thousands of hotel rooms. But they also envisioned a tower that would not only house hotels but serve as a monumental structure. Initially planned to be 450 meters high, when the height was increased to 600 meters, the foundation needed to be reinforced to support the additional load. The design team opted for a lightweight steel structure for the top 150 meters, reducing the weight to 36,000 tons, and placed this atop the concrete tower. The steel structure was designed to distribute the load evenly and support the enormous clock and crescent at the top. The clock's construction was another monumental task. The renowned German company Perot, with 165 years of experience, took charge. The giant clock hands, 23 meters and 17 meters long, posed a challenge due to the extreme winds at 600 meters height. Carbon fiber was used for the hands because it is lighter and stronger than steel, resistant to rust, and does not bend under pressure. 5 clock hands were produced, one of which was kept as a spare. The clock faces are illuminated by 2 million LEDs, carefully selected to withstand Mecca's scorching heat. This lighting system, which took over a year to design and install, ensures that the time is clearly visible from up to 8 kilometers away at night. The most challenging part was the crescent. Standing 75 feet tall and weighing 35 tons, it was crafted from a mix of fiberglass and carbon fiber to keep it lightweight. To install it at such a height, the crescent was divided into 4 parts and lifted by tower cranes, each part weighing around 4 tons. The engineers faced severe challenges with high winds that could make the process dangerous, but their meticulous planning ensured that the crescent was safely positioned and fixed. The crescent is adorned with gold plating made from millions of mosaic tiles, each precisely cut to size. The tiles were applied with a gold layer, and the entire piece was assembled in Dubai before being transported to Mecca. A maintenance switch was also installed, allowing workers to adjust the clock hands if needed. The tower's final height of 601 meters houses the world's highest occupied floor, the Crescent. With an office, meeting room, and a mosque, it stands as the tallest man-made structure housing human occupants. Construction of the Makkah Royal Clock Tower began in 2002 and took 9 years, with 20,000 workers on site at its peak.